Hey guys, Dustin here with Custom Offsets, and today I'm joined by the one and only
Gabe Farrell Productions.
Woo! Look at that. So he's here in Appleton with us. He decided to come up, hang out, which is pretty exciting. We're coming in front of you today with a brand new series that for now we're gonna call Head to Head, I guess.
Sounds pretty good.
So basically we have two trucks on the screen. We're gonna spend about 2 minutes, introduce them, talk about them a little bit, and then kind of pick left or right. So it's pretty simple.
Yeah.
If you want the chance for your truck to be featured on an episode of Head to Head, you're gonna wanna head on over customoffsets.com/add. It's that simple. Gabe did it.
I did.
I rated it.
Like 3 times actually.
It was awesome. Yeah. Cool, you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Up first, on the left, we have a 2020 Ram 1500 TIS 544s in the red and milled, which you can only get at Custom Offsets, by the way.
Sweet.
Pretty neat. 22 by 12 minus 44s. He's on a Turo Trailblades 33 by 12.5, and he's on a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit. On the other side, we have a 19 Toyota Tacoma on Archon Crown Series Triumphs, 20 by 10s minus 25, Fury Country Hunter RT, so the hybrid, and a 33 12.5 as well, and a 4-inch BDS suspension lift kit. It's crazy, you have two different builds here. You have like show build and more, I would say, practical themed build, right? 20 by 10s, 22 by 12s, a little bit different. I love this white.
Yeah, pretty decent. White and red can't go wrong. And then red and black is also pretty decent.
For real. It's crazy how big the wheel and tire looks on this Tacoma, because they're such a smaller truck.
Yeah,
you know?
facts.
Same size tire, but looks
bigger wheels on that side. I like the bed cap.
Yeah, it looks good.
Not a lot of people have bed caps. It's like a Tacoma excursion.
I think I have seen everything I needed to see if you have.
Sure.
So we're gonna do 3, 2, 1, and then you pick left or right.
All right.
3, 2, 1,
Left. Yep.
Yep, universal on that one. For me, it's way cleaner. I'm a huge fan of the 5th gen Rams. I think they look super good.
Yep.
And yeah, white and red looks fantastic.
What
Cody
the heck
Banker.
are you doing?
You got a key for those lug nuts?
I do.
Where's that?
In the back seat on the impact.
All right.
Spoiler alert, he's getting new wheels. All right, up next is a 2018 Ford Raptor on the left, Velgen VFT 8s in a 20 by 10, which is actually normally a car wheel, but I guess they make truck wheels as well.
Sure.
Nitto Trail Graps in a 35 12.5 stock suspension on the Raptor, of course. On the right, a house favorite, a 2020 Silverado 1500, Archon Roosevelt's 24 14s, 37 13.5 X comps, and a Superlift 8-inch lift kit.
Big.
Yeah, so on the right is Cody Banker's truck. Beautiful truck though in the silver with the like lime green powder coat. Obviously you and I both have seen this truck up close and in person. But on the left is a Raptor. This is gonna be tough for me.
Oh, you really like Raptor?
I love the Raptor.
Oh boy.
Oh man. Slight rub at full turn, which I would expect for stock suspension. Yeah. It looks good though. That wheel choice is super different.
And y'all are getting really good with pictures, Jesus.
For real. Truck looks fantastic.
Oh, this is hard actually. Wow.
This is really good.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
That
was close.
Yeah, it was super tough for me too. I mean, the left looks good. That wheel choice is super unique, but it looks fantastic on that truck.
Yep.
However, Banker's truck is just
it's killer.
It's, oh man, it looks so good. And he's not done with it yet. That's the best part. This is like phase 1.
Really?
Yeah. There's some paint to match goodies and some other odds and ends coming down the road. So it should be really good. I'm excited. All right, so up next on the left is a 2006 GMC Sierra 2500 HD TIS 544s again. This time it says black and milled, but I'm pretty sure those are chrome. They look chrome to me. Radar Renegade RTs in a 37 by 12.5 and a 9-inch McGoy suspension lift kit. I love the McGoy's cross members.
Oh yeah, they look
big
good.
cutout and whatnot.
If you ain't gonna do solid axle, those cross members are important.
Correct. On the right, we have a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 on Crown Series Victories, Archons of course, in a 26 by 14 Road 1 Atheon, I believe is how you pronounce it. MTs, 37 13.5, and a BDS 6-inch suspension lift kit.
Truck's clean in person.
Is it?
Yeah,
It looks really clean. Yeah, it's crazy to me, 6-inch on the right, 9-inch on the left, and the tire doesn't look that much bigger.
No,
you know,
not at all.
So, I mean, it goes to show you that Ram, you can just stuff massive amounts of tire.
Yeah, I think you can level a Ram on 35s and you can level a GMC on 33s.
Yeah, and still rub.
Yeah.
So on the left here, you've got a big old front bumper, some headlight action. He's got the paint to match mirror caps on the top. It's like chrome step bars on the side. Kind of a neat look with the white and chrome.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, it's the front bumper normally I would say is a little bit too much, but I think it works with what he's got going on.
Yeah, it looks mean.
Correct. And then on the right, this is a white and, is that yellow?
I forget because I'm colorblind.
Green. There it is.
There it
Look
is.
at that.
All right, yeah.
Look at, he's even got the axle paint. I like how I asked the colorblind guy. Yeah, what color is that? I don't know,
Purple.
Something.
Oh yeah,
Holy
the attention
cow.
to detail on the build is really good.
Oh, that looks so good.
It's a spaceship at night.
This is tough. Same year truck, both 2500s, one on 2212s, one on 2614s, so a little bit difference there, but same size tire besides.
I'm ready.
Are you?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Yep.
Yep. Man, I'm starting to think this is just gonna be the let's pick the same truck all day.
Sorry.
It's cool though. It looks super good. I think the guy on the left here has a really nice truck. For me, the front bumper's a bit much, and then I am just a little bit bigger fan of the 2614
Yeah,
versus
same.
the 2212.
Yeah, I'm a sucker for 26s.
Up next, we've got two 2017s. On the left is a Silverado 1500. On the right, it's an F-150. Silverado features hostile rages in a 20x12 with X-Comp, Gladiator X. Can't talk today. Gladiator X-Comp MTs.
There you go.
In a 35 12.5 with a 9-inch Magoi suspension lift again. And then on the right, the F-150 is fueled Tritons in a 20x12, so same size wheel on both. Nitto Ridge Graps in a 35 12.5, same size tire, and a 6-inch Pro Comp. So battle of the 20x12s and 35s here.
Very common choice. A lot of people are running these, so.
Yeah. It's crazy too because you have a black truck with the Silverado, a white truck with the F-150. Same wheel and tire package. Lift kits are somewhat similar, but obviously the Magoi's kit's a little bit bigger.
Yep.
Oh man. Little splash of color on the F-150 here.
Color's that red.
Yep.
Sweet.
Look at this guy. Got her down.
I'm surprised. I just guessed.
It looks good. I like that wheel quite a bit. That's a little bit older wheel. And
Brandon 24 Valve is running that on all of his trucks right now.
yeah,
It's pretty nice.
it's a neat wheel. I mean, like I said, it's been around a little while, but it looks super good.
Shoot, what am I talking about? I'm running that wheel. What am I?
I'm ready to go if you are.
Yep.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Right.
Yeah, what the heck?
I think if the wheel choice on the Silverado was a black and milled, I would have gone left.
If it had a 20-inch lift, I would have went left.
It's a neat truck. The Magoi's lift kit obviously is a super premium kit. I really like those Gladiators, but I just can't do that satin black wheel.
Had to pick the Ford and white. White's so easy to make a truck look good.
Correct. And then a little splash of red in there too.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Fantastic. Well, cool. There is our first ever episode of Head to Head. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Gabe, for hanging out with us.
Thanks for having me.
This was awesome. If you guys have a better name for this series, let us know down in the comments below. We're taking suggestions because, I don't know, it's what we do. Remember, Wheelstar Suspension, CustomOffsets.com. And with that, we're out.
Peace.
Peace.
Yo!